guys, hope you had an amazing day. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell notification and never miss an update. And today we are going to prepare a Northeast Indian style lemony dry fish chutney. Dry fish chutneys are quite a staple in Northeast Indian homes. Although some of you might hate the odor of raw dry fish, but let me tell you my friends, the end product is just delicious and it will definitely brighten up any of your mundane meals. Now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Dried fish, take any variety of your choice. Slit green chilies, finely chopped onions, garlic cloves which are finely chopped, dried red chilies, salt, oil and lemon juice. Now let's start making our chutney. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your chopped garlic cloves. Fry it for a minute on a low flame. Add your slit green chilies and saute it for another minute. Now add your rinsed dried fish, dry red chilies and salt. Keep stirring and cooking them for 10 minutes to ensure that they are evenly cooked. We will now put these cooked ingredients in a mortar and roughly pound them. Put these ingredients back into the pan and cook it for a minute. Add your sliced onions and cook it for about 30 seconds to ensure that your onions are not cooked. Turn off the heat. Finally add your lemon juice. Mix them well and transfer it in a bowl. And just like that, our lemony dry fish chutney is ready. The aroma from the dry fish is making me drool. The dry fish is spicy and well cooked, the onions are crunchy and the lime made it refreshing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and do share it with your friends. Until then, see you soon.